In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Sprout Social. If you're managing multiple social media accounts and need an efficient way to categorize your content, tags can be a great solution. They allow you to organize your posts, making it easier to track performance and trends. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any other that you normally use. Once you have your browser open, head to the search bar and type in Sprout Social. This will lead you to the main website where you can access your account. Once you land on the Sprout Social website, look for the Sign In button. Click this if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to click Sign Up to create a new one. Follow the instructions given to establish a new account. Assuming you are signed in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the Account and Settings option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, you're in the Settings menu. Look for the Global Features section. This is where you'll find all sorts of features that apply across your Sprout Social account. Within this section, find and click on Tags. This will open up a new window that shows all the groups and existing tags you can manage. Here, you can either select a specific group for which you want to add a tag, or simply search through the existing tags to make sure you're not duplicating any. Once you've identified the group you want to work with, or ensured the tag doesn't already exist, look for the Add Tag button and click it. This is where you'll be entering the details for your new tag. You'll need to provide a name for this tag. Make it intuitive and relevant, so anyone managing the account understands its purpose immediately. After naming the tag, select the groups where you want this tag to be available. This is useful if you're managing multiple accounts or brands and need to categorize them individually. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information, hit the Create Tag button to save your new tag. And there you have it. You've successfully created a tag in Sprout Social. Now, whenever you're posting across various platforms, you can easily categorize your content using these tags. This makes it simpler to analyze data and report on social media results, giving you a better understanding of what works best for your strategy. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or want further tips, feel free to reach out. Happy tagging!